Strictly Come Dancing 2023 winner Ellie Leach won over the public with her professional partner Vito Coppola, lifting up the BBC show's iconic Glitterball Trophy last month. Strictly Come Dancing winner Ellie Leach has been left devastated after accidentally breaking the Glitterball Trophy she won in the 2023 final of the BBC show. The Coronation Street actress, 22, admitted she was gutted about the blunder, which occurred just a couple of weeks after she and just 3 weeks after lifting the BBC Strictly Come Dancing Glitterball Trophy. Winner Ellie Leach has been left gutted after the plastic writing snapped off professional partner Vito Coppola danced their way to victory. The pair lifted the coveted prize after receiving the most public votes during the final on December 16. Ellie was handed a replica of the iconic trophy to take home and display, but the star was left dismayed after its plastic writing reportedly snapped off. The actress has now apparently asked her handy dad to try and repair the damage. A friend of Ellie told The Sun. Ellie was gutted that she hasn't been able to show off her trophy after so many of her friends are desperate to hold it. Luckily Ellie's dad Al is good at fixing things, so she gave it to him to put back together. It is her prized possession and she can't wait to put it up in the house, the friend added. During last month's final, Ellie and Vito beat out couples Bobby Brazier and Diane Buswell and Leighton Williams and Nikita Kuzmin to win the competition. Posting a picture of herself holding the trophy on Instagram last month, Ellie told her 417,000 followers, "This win is for everyone who feels like they're not good enough. You are enough. Please be kinder to yourselves and have more belief and find joy in the little things. This experience has taught me that giving your best is all you can ask of yourself. Worrying about things that are out of your control isn't going to stop them from happening. Saying no because you're scared is taking away an opportunity from yourself that could end up being great. I am stronger, more resilient and more confident. I have learned that it's okay to be kind to yourself when you're having bad days and good days," she continued.